Hello, hello. We're back with more coding in Godot as I make my game for Climate Game Jam. So we achieved quite a bit the last time. Just gonna do a quick run through to check on things. Okay, we've got new graphics for the trash, although might need a little bit of resizing, but that's fine. Okay, just gonna chase some fish away. Okay. And let's call in the corals. Summon the gang. Send this fish packing. I don't want to change their spawn zone so they can't spawn from above, because it's kinda a little bit unrealistic. I mean, spawning vertically from above is just a little bit meh. Anyways, but that's small things that we can worry about next time. In the meantime, there's also a size reference scene where we should take a look at some of this stuff. Ooh, the speaker's in. Okay, cool. Nice. So we've got good things happening. Yeah, we definitely have some new trash and stuff all going on. In terms of grid size, they generally all fall within one of these grids, like in terms of the pixels. I think that's 10 pixels or something? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 8. So they are 8 by 8 pixels. Okay, sure. Still good. Okay, back to the... I'll just close this for now. Again, fish I can leave, trash player, coral 1. Okay, I'm gonna continue working on the scripts. So the first things first, I'm gonna start working on the oxygen meter HP bar of the corals that I've been talking about for so long. So I actually gotta do this for the coral itself. Progress bar, texture, life or loading scenes and life or stamina bars. Contrast or visual representation of a percentage. Interesting. So let's try texture progress bar. How does it actually look? Right, it probably doesn't have any of these. On the other hand, if I turn this into... wrong one. If I turn this into a regular progress bar, it... yeah. Yeah, it's just a typical bar. Very simplistic. I don't have to worry too much about anything. So actually for simplicity, I would like to copy that from the main and just paste it over here, delete this. I like to use mostly the same details. I'm just gonna rename this as HP bar. I'm gonna shrink this a little bit. At 100% view, this looks like that. This is about as small as it gets. I wonder if I should put the HP bar above or below. It could be a little bit confusing, but I think on top to represent progress, below to represent HP, that's that's some kind of visual language I think I would like to stick with. Right now its value is set to 4. Just double check, my HP starts at 3, so I'm going to get it started. You know, I'm going to put start as 1, but it will change accordingly to what the base HP is. No, actually, you know what? 1. Step is in 1. So step, if I'm not wrong, is the change in itself. Actually, you know what? I should put 2 so it doesn't mess up. Page 0, exp edit, rounded, allow greater, allow lesser. Okay, the transform, they've already been set. Size is 129. Oh, what about 130 just to round it off? 130. You know what? I'm fine with 129. Yeah, or 128. Just, you know, locking it to the... Oh my gosh. Excuse me, this is not really a... This is not a place for bots, I believe, so... I don't think you are a... appropriate person to be here. Just gonna remove. Conby. Oh, hello, Titanium. I see you're lurking around again. I'm going to remove this over here as well. Right, where were we? Yes, HP bar. I'm gonna need to start connecting it to the script and such. So HP -1. I'm gonna need a function that updates HP bar. So it's gonna be called function update HP. Simple as that. I don't need to put it on delta. Ooh, that's nice. Oh yes, yes. I know you sent me that fan art previously. Do you mind if I upload it on social media? And are you okay with that? Or like, do you want to edit it first and make it nicer before you want me to upload? Or how do you, like, do you, yeah. Seeking your permission. Update HP. Huh, how do I go about doing that? First things first, I am going to HP bar.show, because by default I want to keep it hidden until damage is taken. I'm liking the skill to turn. It's okay. You can take your time if you need to. I mean, if you want to. But if you're fine up like me uploading it as it is, then I truly appreciate it. Okay, so I want to show the bar. I need the on ready on area entered, if area exit, on area exit HP. Okay, HP bar show. Okay, that's cool. It looks good anyways, it looks good. So HP bar dot value minus equals HP. No, I am super glad that you've actually taken the time and effort to draw it. It's very, very nice of you to do that. Okay, spawn coral set HP. So at this point I've set the HP of the coral already, which is set HP is over here. HP minus 1, value equals HP. Yes, so update HP. I think I need to set in the set HP, I need to HP equals growth stage, and okay, and then at this point I'm also going to need to tell the progress bar, which in this case the HP bar, why is it not coming up? Do I need to be here? Yes, HP bar dot max value equals HP right now. Same thing with the value as well, just in case it doesn't. You know what, to be sure I should use this one. Okay. Print coral HP. HP. Right, let's give it a spin. So I'm gonna intentionally let the coral take some hits. Okay, HP 2, HP 1, and it's gone. Right. Though, where's my bar? Where my bar at, boys? Oh, hold up. Why is it? Oh yeah. Is the Herdider. Why is the HP bar dot show not working? This is currently hidden, set it to visible to true. Is this lo-fi studio? Yeah, apparently the name is called Wild Horseradish Jam. Interesting, why is the coral HP bar not showing? Yeah, why is it not showing? Oh, hold up, it is showing, it's just over there at the side. Oh my gosh, I'm blind. It's cause I never assigned its position. But wouldn't the position be linked to... Huh, I thought the position is linked to the... Interesting. I mean, it's part of this node, isn't it? So... Unless you put it under the sprite? That makes no sense. Why though? Why? Yeah, maybe it has to be within the core like this. Wait, previously it was not? It was. I don't know, but let's just try this. Yeah, it's still here. That's weird, and it's showing even though it shouldn't be showing. How do I do it for the progress bar? Oh, that one? I specifically coded it to follow the player. So let me just see. I remember I put it gosh, where is it? Yes, progress bar position equals to player position plus a certain offset. I should actually make this a variable that I can see. I don't even use this active fish timer anymore, do I? Yeah, this can be deleted, so might as well I just export this variable. Player offset. No, functions get the, it's more like this. Yeah. Equals this value. Progress bar offset equals this amount. It's a long ass name. Yeah. I'm curious, can you right click on the var name? No, I mean, not sure what you mean by that. But in any case, the position is, I put it on delta to determine where it is. Oh. Oh, I can do a search all kind of thing, like, you know, find like this. So it does tell me where it is, in which scripts as well. It's similar, but I think a just slightly less convenient. Excuse me. Okay. Back to this. So, do I have to manually set its position, or is its position always... This node doesn't have a control parent. Use appropriate layout properties depending on where you're going to put it. Oh. Huh. Let me just do a quick Google on that. This node does not have a control parent. Should I using C appropriate same but with reaction green nodes? Right now I use my dummy nodes as headings, have a clutter tree. Am I crazy or the controls? Okay, so apparently there has to be a control node. Oh. Interesting. Unfortunately, the Godot is not showing up because I'm sharing a window and not sharing a screen, and so like new windows that pop up you don't get to see. But in any case, I'm looking at the control. Let's just search help. Control node. Can I read more about it? Base class for GUI. So I can use this to set things to be right, to set things stuck to the viewport. Interesting. I think so. But in the case where I'm not using it as part of the GUI or the HUD, yeah, so I'm fine, I think. What does clip contents do? Click in its own controller's rectangle. True, parts of a child which not visible will not be rendered and not receive input. Okay. Layout direction inherited. Anchors preset top left. Fill, shrink center, shrink end. What's expand? Whoa. That's a lot of text. Tells the parent container how they should be resized and placed on the size field. Let the node take all values on the axis you flag. Okay. I don't think we need to touch this yet, so that's fine. That aside, it does seem that I need to manually set the position. It's okay, it can start hidden. I'm gonna give it a position, I guess. HP bar dot position equals self dot position plus I'm gonna need to make a variable for this. HP bar offset, and I'm gonna just export var HP bar offset equals vector 2. Currently, what's the setting at? Currently, it's about it's about 60 pixels below. So let's keep that as that. Something like that, I guess. Basically, if I wanted 60 pixels less, it's just increase X by 60 and 0 on Y. That should be it. Now let's take a look. Nope, it's still showing. Hold up, that's because I forgot to hide it first. Okay, now. Okay, will it? What? Hold up. I am dumb. It should be on the Y and not on the X. And it should be 60 increases in the direction downwards. Yes, it should be this way. Pokemon Mystery Dungeon. What do you mean? Oh. Oof. Okay, that's weird. Oh, I get it. Because the anchor is on the top left. I should put it on the center. Oh boy, where did you go? I'm not sure. I'm not sure which. It's probably Pokemon, yes, the song, but yeah. Anchors preset. Can I have it anchored from the main? I guess that's what it means by not having a control parent, huh? In any case, it's like 64 pixels to the left, so that's minus x 64, and I guess I can go with 64 on the y. Why not? Okay, it's showing up, yes I know, but let's just see. 2, 3, 4. Why does it have to wait for 4 to finish? Unless I put the minimum value as 1. Does that make sense? Huh. That's odd. The next time it checks on the next tick. Oh. I need to change it to 1. Because if it's 1, it minus 1 into 0. Currently it's going to minus 1. You're right, it's the next tick. So I need to set the last HP here. Like, on the tick it becomes 0. So that's the issue I've been facing with the other thing as well, because I was having the same issue with the progress timer as well. Progress bar. Cleaning timer. Active timer. Max value equals timer wait time. On timeout. Currently it checks. Hold on a minute. Wait a minute, why does my... counts down on timeout. Timeout. How does the timeout work? So it counts down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So is that a 6 second or is that 5 seconds? I mean, okay, say 4 seconds, right? So it's 4, 3, 2. You know what? Let's actually time it. Let's actually time this. I'm gonna take my phone. I'm gonna get a stopwatch out. Okay, start the game instance. And I'm gonna start clearing trash. The moment I start clearing, I'm gonna start a timer. Okay, there we go. Until the progress bar disappears. Okay, it's 4 seconds. It's 4 seconds. It's correct. So, I'm not crazy. Okay, now time to check the corals and the fish. Does it actually work as intended now? 2, 1, 0. Okay. 2, 1, 0. Very good. Very, very good. Working as intended. If I kill free, all this memory is already saved. It's cleared. Yeah, so it's fine. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's okay. I don't have to reset it. So I'm wondering if I just want to adjust the HP bar to look a little bit longer, perhaps? Currently it's a little bit chonky. Don't think that's a bad thing, but I don't mind elongating a little bit more. Is this too long? Let's find out. Main thing is I don't want it to like collide or you know overlap with a different coral. Okay, it definitely looks like it would collide with another coral. Yeah, it's a bit too long now. Okay. You know what? Just a slight bit longer. Slight bit longer. So I need to shift it another 4 pixels behind. To center it. Just trying to make sure that they don't... Ow, come on. No, 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 don't hit my coral! You hit my coral, you little shit! Okay, okay, chase you away first. No, no, no. Oh my gosh, these fish are persistent. Okay, I want you to eat the other fish, the other coral, just so I can see if... No, get the other coral, gosh. Are you... Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, they do not overlap, which is perfect. Hello, Kelly. Nice to see you around. Obviously, the display isn't looking... The colors aren't looking that great, so let me just do a quick little change on the colors if I can. Theme overrides, colors. These are the font, background. Hello, I'm doing fine, thank you very much. Let's give it a darker shade just to stand out from the rest a little bit. Okay, and for the feel, I'm gonna give it red for HP. Not too deep, just a nice, if I could get it pastelish, that would be great. Oh, that sounds a little sus. Kelly, it's probably the first time you're here. I haven't seen you around before, so prove that you're not an AI bot. There's just been so many around, I'm pretty jaded by all of that, so yep. Okay, this looks like a good color. Oh, I forgot to hide it again, but that's fine. Well, the thing is that at least the fish don't overlap. Like if multiple fish come around, it doesn't like trigger multiple times. Which is fine, you know what? I really don't think that's a big deal. It's a small game jam, it's not gonna go into too much detail. So that's good. I think that's fine as it is. Okay. And I think with that, I can mark my task for displaying the coral bars complete. Alright, now to make a day-night cycle and an oxygen meter of some kind. Have I heard about affiliate before? Yes, I have, but that's fine. That's not something I'm trying to reach or achieve. I'm okay. This is just a hobby to pass my time, to learn some coding, to play some games. Okay, I think I first need to get the logic for the amount of time it takes to hit day and night. Actually no, before that, yeah, maybe I should just go into the day-night directly? How would that work? Should I file it under the player? Nah, I think if I want to use if I want to put it under the GUI as something that's part of the camera, I should actually put it in a control node. So control, this is probably gonna be wait a minute, there's a HUD here. This HUD is just this stuff. I think I'm gonna put these HUDs inside the control. Yeah. And then I'm gonna call this GUI. Currently this HUD contains just some old stuff. I might want to replace this eventually, so I'm just gonna put this prototype HUD. Oh my gosh. Prototype HUD. Okay. You know what, that's fine, the name doesn't change that much, so it's okay. What's it for? Probably not play, I mean. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna add I'm gonna put a texture progress bar for now. It's gonna go... It's not gonna fill, it's gonna empty. Stretch margin, textures, under, over. You know what, Kelly? Thank you so much for the offer, but I don't think I need that. Because if you're gonna ask me to buy followers, buy viewers, and so on, then no thank you. And if you're gonna send bot trains my way, no thank you as well. I do not want to get banned. So I'm giving you a verbal warning now. If you continue to promote your services in such a way, I would have to drop the ban hammer on you. Although I'm not sure if there's a need for me to be so polite in case you're a bot, but in case you're not a bot, then you know, just being polite is always good. Alright, what should I do? Progress over, under. Layout. Okay, I can use anchors for this guy because it's under a... I'm gonna stick him in the bottom right of... Oh, hold up, my GUI is... It should be equal to the viewport, which is here. I believe the viewport extends to here. Yep, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna lock the position of the GUI. You will be at the bottom right. So... Wait, what? Okay, maybe I don't lock this, but... Was it anchored? When active, control nodes change their anchors instead of their offsets. Huh. What is this? Huh. Wait a minute, did I change the wrong thing? What am I even doing? The GUI is the one that needs to be here. Yep. Then you go down there. There we go. Now that makes more sense. Not sure how much space it will take, but I'll just cater this much space. Let me make a progress bar, say temp O2 meter, and this one will be oximeter. So I'll just leave that as is first. Temporary oxygen meter would be what I'm working with for now, just to test the code. And I'm just gonna get it to show percentage. Actually, you know what? If it's an oxygen bar meter, then I'm gonna use... Yeah, why not have it vertical? That could be nice. Top to bottom. Rounded. No, I don't need rounded. Layout. input, theme overrides, constants, colors, visibility, K, ordering, texture, material. So right now I'm just gonna give it like 30 seconds. Max value 30. Value as 30. Whoops, not 62, 30. Essentially, the timer is going to be part of the oxygen meter. Yeah. I'm just gonna call it day timer. Or just oxygen timer, fine. Oxy timer. My goodness, this Kelly Saner. You know, if you are not a bot, say you're not a bot. Okay, how do I get it to wait, the oxygen meter should fill from top to bottom. No, it should be bottom to top. Yeah, bottom to top. Then I'll decrease it using a timer. I'm not sure if this script would still work because if I file it, okay, it still works. It still works. Okay, the oxygen meter is still in a corner nicely. I can just move it slightly over here. Just a little bit. As for you, let me also give you a similar treatment. Okay, I'm gonna add a script. Should I add a script to the GUI itself? User interface. Doesn't seem like it needs a script on its own, does it? I can control using the main script, but that... Oh no. They say they are not a bot. Do I need to give it a captcha to be sure? I can't give it math questions because math questions would also you know, solvable with bot. How about you describe what's the trolley problem to me? I guess I should just make... Okay, what's the main responsible for right now? The main is responsible for starting up the scene, controlling the objects. If I put the... I feel like the timer should be under the oxygen timer should be under the timer section, right? And then it will interface with the GUI that way. Does that make sense? Or would it be better if the way I have it right now, in which it's housed under the GUI? What do you think, Titanium? Seeking your expert advice here. Wow. I don't think I need your... You're not the one I'm testing, man. Okay, it's not so much as a problem as opposed to... Well, anyways, the question is... Right now I have my oxygen timer here, right? Which dictates, you know, the amount of oxygen left in the oxygen tank and so on and so forth. The main thing is, if I want it to be connected to the display here, right? To tell the player how much oxygen they have left, should I put a timer and the meter together in the GUI control node? Or do I just leave the display in the GUI and I bring the timer up to, you know, the timer section? Or even perhaps just straight away underneath the main as one of the big childs of its own. Any reason why the timers are grouped together? It's so, cause when I was honestly, it's because I thought it was a cleaner way to do things back when I first started coding. So that's why they're all grouped together under a single script, right? And to be honest, they are all actually related to player actions. So in fact, they could very well function under the player as well, right? Like, just in fact, it would be easier if I put them under the player to start with. Yeah, so there's that. Do I even use the fish timer at all? Oh, okay, I do use the fish timer. This is for spawning fish. This can actually be housed under the main directly. Okay, does the GUI need to be able to access the Oxy timer in one way or another? It just needs to display the values of the timer as it decreases. Yeah, I mean, this is probably very inconsequential for like a small game. We can do it in a variety of ways, but you know, I just want to hear your experience as well. Context and scoping is a trap. Yeah, because I do want it to be tidy, I want it to be consistent, but at the same time, I don't know if it makes sense in terms of coding and architecture. Keep game object logic to game object. Okay. Keep UI on UI. But it's a hybrid, it's both. Okay, I mean, to be fair, it's UI, but it also... Okay, it's not a game object, because you don't interact with it, but it affects the game. I mean, the UI responds to the game, so... Okay, you know what? Yes, then I get your point. It carries logic, not too much logic, but enough logic. Wait a minute, now that I think about it, it actually carries quite important logic. That would be housed under main. The game manager that keep all the important centralized logic is all in the main script. Yep. I mean, yeah, I think main is, yes, day night and Austrian as time limit. Yes. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yep. Yep, that is also true. Okay, first and foremost, on the main GD, I'm gonna need a variable called day does it work this way? Yeah. Signal the UI script update when a certain value has happened. Yeah, I think that is pretty much the case it's gonna happen. I'm gonna have to put GUI to read something like a GUI read the timer, I guess. Player interaction timers. Uh... What? Oh no, this should be here. Oh no, here. My mindset is very object-oriented, heavy. Trigger UI does follow general. Wait, I mean, which is perfect, which is... Yeah, that's exactly what I want to learn and want to do. So, in fact, upon second thought, I think this doesn't need to be run by the main. The signal only needs to travel when it's complete. I can just let it run on its own and so on, and then only when it's complete then it sends out the signals. OOP, object-oriented programming and game might not really gel. I mean, it's slightly different but still similar. They share quite a lot of similarities, but they're different enough so to you know, require some relearning. Oh, don't worry, I haven't actually done anything. I was just like tidying up some code so it's less messy. The thing is that if I want to display changes, it's easier for me to just work from main and then, you know, trickle down the effects. So kind of like data flows from the root of a tree to the respective leaves. I think that should be how it all flows. So, on that note, realistically speaking, the timers should fall under... Currently, most of the timers should fall under the player. And the fish timer should fall under main itself directly. Day-night is something that's triggered by main. So, you know what? I'm gonna since I'm already like halfway through this though, it's really structured in such a way, I'm just gonna keep at it. Auto start when entering the scene tree. Yeah, we can let it auto start. Okay, but what's gonna happen is on the main there's to be a day night, okay, which I've already put the day over there. So next up I need to know what happens when the timer is done. So on timeout, wow, this is all the way at the bottom. All of this I think I can clean up since I don't need it anymore. Yeah, you know what? Screw it. Delete all this code that I no longer need. Okay, on timeout, day equals day. Does this work? Basically reversing the day and night. You know what? I'm gonna make a separate function as well for this, which is next phase, where next phase is basically like this. Is it worth making a function for this? You know what? This is stupid. I want it to be exact. Don't need to make another function for this. Okay, on the GUI front, do I need another script or can I just control everything from main here? What else will be on the GUI? Oh yeah, eventually I'll have a bunch of things showing, tutorials and so on. Would make sense to actually let it have its own script. Okay then, you are gonna have a script, GUI, add script. It depends on your company is an SOP because you're coding you do you, yes. Okay. First and foremost, I need to get connection to this node. So on ready I believe this is it. Or am I going crazy? Okay, close this anyways, close this. Oh, I need to add a var? Yeah, I forgot. Okay, so there we go. Do I have to put it in delta? I probably need to put it in delta for change in timer, right? Because that's what I did for Coral as well. No, it just runs up the HP. There's no delta for this. Delta runs constantly passively. Yeah, this has to be delta. Okay. Temp oximeter dot value equals timer dot oxy timers. Yeah, that should be it. Time left? Oh, it should just be time left, yeah, not value, but time left. Because timers take the... Yeah, it should be time left. Is script too big, hard to maintain? Yes, I agree. So let's just give it a go. Crashed. In fact, get that on base node timers.gd. Weird. Right, main dot. That's fine. Just gonna do this. Okay, the main issue is that it still can't find Oxy timer. Why? Oh, do I need to do this? GUI is here at the bottom. Wait a minute, did I create a active timer here? I did, okay. So var oxy timer. Does this work? No. Cannot value of string as int. Okay. Maybe this works? Nope, it doesn't. Cannot convert argument from nil to int. Okay, so get child isn't exactly what I want. I think get node is better. Yeah, I'll just run get node, I guess. But it's not letting me get it though. Expected identifier for attribute access. Like this? Nope. Or do I have to do this? Get node. Oh gosh. Like that. Does that work now? Time left on base nil. It should have started though. You're on auto start. You're a one shot. Yes, I should put you one shot. Wait, how did I do my progress? Value increases because as the wait time minus, yeah. Yep, I know that get node thing has changed, but for some reason it doesn't exactly work when I do this. You know, alternatively I can just like screw this thing and just okay, you know what, let me just comment it out first, so in case I regret. I can do this timers, oxy timer. Yep, that also works. I think it only works on standalone, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, I think that doesn't work somehow. Why is it invalid get index time left on base nil? Why is it invalid? Like the moment I'm trying to access it. Oh wait, you know, oh gosh, I am dumb. Wait, no, that's correct. Time left 30. Time left is essentially it's an internal code that is basically, as it counts down the 30 seconds, it will automatically, yeah, it's basically the countdown timer. I use it here as well. Oh, you didn't get the oxy timer, the new one is oxy timer. Wait a minute, did I type the right thing? Yeah. Oximeter value is oxy timer time left. Get index. Wait, why is it get index time left? What if I use wait time? Just to see what happens. Yeah, it also crashes. Let's just search the help timer. There, time left and wait time. Is it because it starts late? There's a possibility where it's readied later than this process delta starts. Let's take a look. So it's gonna crash, but if I look at timers. Wait, why is it not? Did I disable the auto start? Okay, let's try something. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna put this as like 10 and 10 for now. I'm gonna do max value equals oxy timer dot wait time. Right? Okay, I shall put it here. the value itself decreases. Print after time. Hold up. It's on auto start right now, so I can also now print let me just print this. It died. So it does, actually on ready it does print the max value 30 already, which is correct. So if I see this, yep, it's 30, the value is still 10, because delta hasn't started yet. But the moment I start the game, oh, wait a minute, it works now? What? What the fuck? What has happened? Function scoping prompt. I think is it because I add var in front of this and then it just messes everything up? Yeah. Yeah, you're right. So the moment I change this, it works. Oh my god, that was so dumb. But anyways, now is a good time to also playtest my concept. Shoo. Oh my gosh, 30 seconds is so short. Holy shit. Holy shit. No, get away from my fish, My coral, I mean go away fish. No! Okay. Yep. So timer is working. I think 30 seconds might be pressurizing, but I think that's good. Let's actually increase it to like 45 seconds for now. And now that I've got day turn to false, things need to change. I need to actually, you know what? It's not even going to be a bool. It's going to be a signal. There we go. It's going to emit nighttime. And when nighttime happens, GUI is going to display stuff. So I'm going to go here, nighttime, connect it up to GUI. On main nighttime, temp, oximeter, hide. And I'm gonna need to show stuffs like HUD and whatnot. Move. Oh gosh, come on. This sounds very Pokemon. Yeah, it's a Pokemon lo-fi. You wanna be shown? Huh? Titanium? Boom, boom, boom. My brain is starting to stall. I can't exactly think about what I want to do already. I mean, I got my nighttime working. So I think what should happen is I think I'm just gonna make a temp HUD right now. I do want to convert this over to the GUI perhaps? Or maybe not, that's fine. I'm trying to be naked bomb and try to understand how shoulder works. I guess you could look at the skeleton structure first. Speaking of which, there's this like YouTube like tutorial guy that does a lot of great anatomy tutorials and stuff. I think it's called like Excalibur Art or something like that. I can send you a link later. It can possibly help you, I guess. But in any case, I'm gonna do nighttime. I'm gonna link it to HUD as well. On nighttime, I'm just gonna make a simple label. And just gonna say night falls. Now you know what? I'm just gonna copy paste this. Delete node label. I'm just gonna call it nightfall. Vertical alignment, center, and this thing. Can I center you? Yeah. Night fall.show. I do want to pause all the timers as well. So is there a function that allows me to do that? Like just yes, I can't skip fundamental. Of course you cannot. Can I pause all timers in Godot at once? Pause game state assigning true to scene3.paused. You know, maybe I'll just go with the scene3.paused method. Yeah, I'll just pause everything directly. Because I know the GUI can be set to not be affected by pause if I'm not wrong. I know there was something that I did back then that helped. Process, yes, under the process. Process mode always, that's right. So this one, process, always. And then get tree. I think get tree.paused. It goes true. Yeah, it's over here. So it's just gonna be a GUI related. At this point, I think making this into its own node might be better. Yeah, I'm just gonna save branch as scene. There we go. Wait a minute. Where did it go? There. So I can't edit control nodes like this. I have to edit from here. What's going on? Can it still run? Apparently it can. If only you can grow money on tree. Yeah, that would be nice. I wish I could too. Oh my gosh. No. Shoo, fish, shoo. Oh my god. You know, actually having the HP thing is quite scary because the fish can just slowly chomp away at your stuffs. It's not so easy to keep the trash around. No! Leave my corals alone! Okay, nighttime has not triggered and I can't win the game either. So definitely something's proofed. But that's fine. I think maybe I have to pause it from here. Wait, that doesn't make sense. You know what? I'm gonna copy paste all this stuff. Wait a minute, that's a bit too much. Ready. Process. doesn't make sense because it makes $1. That's right. I like that joke. One of my favorite too. Go back to this. On main win. Okay, oh, I know why, cause I lost some of these connections, right? Connected to the GUI, okay. Nighttime, goes to the GUI, there we go. So the HUD script can be removed. I can detach this script. Yeah, I can close this. I don't think I need this anymore and it should still work. Nope. Right, it needs to be HUD to, yes. This needs to be HUD win. Same thing here, HUD win. And HUD tilt. HUD nightfall. There we go. There. What are you talking about? That's like an age-old joke, man. No, stop eating my corals. Leave my corals alone. No, no, no. Don't you eat my corals. Don't you eat my corals. Okay, I'm testing for the win condition here to make sure I can win. Whichever comes first, the winning one or... Yes, okay, I can win. Okay, now let me set the timer for oxygen meter to be like 10 seconds just to test the day night. You know what? How about just 3 seconds? 1, 2, and 3. Night falls. Okay. Very good. So nightfalls work. Nightfall works. What do I do after nightfall? I kinda need a... I need something to happen. I need like... I gotta change the scene. I gotta change scene completely or I can keep the same scene. I think I'm just gonna keep to the same scene. Yes, the character will go to sleep. How do I adjust the viewport? I believe I did that here in the main. Or is that in player? Screen size, or just sets the screen size. Oh. Okay, so I can add a camera. What does it have? Ignore rotation, enable. Controls whether the camera will be active or not. If true, this will be the active camera, enter the scene tree and no active. Okay. Limit position smoothing. Yeah, let's give it enabled. I have no idea how does the camera even. Oh, here's the camera. Okay, it starts at where the viewport is. So that's the position. So just to see if it still works. Okay, there's no instruction for you to do anything, so it's fine. Okay. Player wise, clamp screen size. Okay, I'll figure out how to scope, like scroll the camera as the player moves, but that's for later. Canvas item node. Right now what I want to do is just move the position. So I think it's under GUI and on function main nightfall, get 3 pause. I guess camera can also ignore process, it will always be around. I'm just gonna call this cam. So on ready var cam equals to, you know, cam. There we go. Cam dot x equals sorry, it'll be y. Where would the y go to? So my marker, say if I want the y to go up to like here, minus 512. Okay. I'm not sure if that works, but let's just give it a spin. Once again, just gonna change my oxygen timer to 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh gosh. Value of oh, hold on, what am I doing? I need to position this? Yeah, cam dot position dot y. Let's try that again. Oh, it works! It works. Feels a little bit meh at the moment, but I think it works. I think 5 pixels per second is a bit too fast. I'm going to cut it down to 2 pixels per second. Let's try that again. That is amazing. That looks so good. That looks so good. Okay. Okay, night falls. I'm just gonna make a quick and simple I guess HUD for it to a button to go like say next day, just so you know you can repeat the loop for a while. But before that, let me just get some more water, so be right back. Alright, I am back. Thank you so much for hanging out. By the way, Titanium, don't feel obliged to hang around some more. If you need your rest, then please go get it. Everyone deserves a good rest at the end of your long day. So yeah, don't worry about it. Okay, time to make some... You know, I think I completely messed up this whole thing entirely. Heads up display. GUI. I think I need to make a proper like text box and stuff in here. This HUD will be removed eventually. It's just here for now so that I can do some simple things. Okay, you know what? In the meantime, I'm just gonna make like a canvas group. Notice over 2D nodes in a single draw operation. No, that's not what I'm looking for. I need like a text box of some kind. Is it? Graph edit range, item list, label, line edit menu bar. 9. Tree. Okay, let me make a texture button. Eventually there's also going to be more stuff, I guess. Solid color rectangle, graph, item list, label. I'm probably gonna have like sprites as well. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sprite, which is probably gonna be like text box, something like that, and then a button on it. So the GUI is over here, the text box, I'm gonna get it to can I not anchor its position? Unless... Wait, how do I change this? Change type. Container, box container. Then not sure how this works. I'm gonna put this in the center. I'm not sure if this thing has any size. Doesn't seem like it. I'm just gonna put a sprite inside here first, just to see how it goes. When active, moving controller changes their anchors instead of their offsets. It's okay, we'll figure something out. You know, I'll just use the shape 2D first, I guess. Or area 2D. How did I do stuff in the past? What's my fish? It's a... Right. Oh, I can even use placeholder textures. Okay. Okay, sure. Wow. Didn't know that was a thing. But that's really helpful. Just gonna adjust this manually a little bit. And for the texture button, I have no idea where it is. Children of a container get a potential size determined only by their parent. Okay. So... where are you? Position and size determined only by their parent. Oh no. But did I mess this up? Wait, this actually... okay, not exactly what I'm looking for. So I have to change this from here. But this changes the whole box, which isn't what I want. I can still move this around, so... I guess a container kind of messes things up. I think it thinks that the sprite is for... I mean, yes, it is for that, but... No description available, okay, never mind. I can't adjust this because it's part of the container. Huh. I think maybe instead of using a binding a container like this, keep child controls in its center. Maybe I should change it to an aspect ratio container? I think it's thinking that the sprite is... There has to be a label in this. Sorry, the other way around. The sprite belongs to the label. I can move the sprite. But I cannot move the label. Yes. Ratio stretch. Wow, I'm really confused as to how these containers work. No worries. Let's just change type again and figure out what is it. What if I just use a container? Unless script plain control node instead. Well, I guess the GUI is already the plain control node, so unless I change this to just another control node. Okay. That might work, I guess. Let's see, let's call this text box. sprite text texture button. Okay, I can shift the stuff now, so it's not so bad. This control node itself is okay. Not sure why it's behaving like that, but that is fine. So things should kind of fall within this. This is really odd. I don't understand the logic behind what's going on right now. Okay, but I seem to have aligned them roughly. Okay. That was quite the weird task, but we got it aligned. Sure, that was awkward. Wait, it went back? Oh, come on. Text box itself move. Okay, something like that. So text. Wait, the it's a bit annoying that all of this is yeah, let's just do this for now. text box, texture button. Just gonna put like next button and get another label in this. Just gonna put next, center, center. Okay. Gosh, that was tiring. On pressed, connect to the main, is it over here? Oh. I'm gonna set the camera position back down. Equals to original starting position is like, what's the original starting position again? I don't remember. Gosh. It's like here, right? 360. Okay, nice number. 360. So, and then I can unpause the game. One more thing is all of this GUI stuff needs to be hidden. So this all needs to start hidden. Yeah. What's gonna happen is text box dot show, and the reverse will be true here. Let's just move this up. Okay. So it's gonna be nightfall. Oh, right. I forgot the knife. All of this stuff needs to go up, up, up. Okay, so layout, transform, position, minus 512. There we go. The anchor itself, so I can place this anchor anywhere, can I? Oh. Oops. So what happens if I do this? Huh. Wait, then what does the anchor actually mean? Does it I think I start to get it now. So currently this is centered as it is. But if I enable this, and I move this to -512, the anchor still stays? Okay, I think this is what I want. Yes. Yeah, something like this. Your anchor can be actually at the center. Yes. Okay. So let's just try this again. Okay, it can definitely be higher because the center of the camera is 512. What was I thinking? Currently what is this set at the position? I should actually use. You should be at the. Can I change this to be at the center? I don't think that works. You know what? Something like this for now. Let's take a look at the main scene. I think I still shift up a little bit more. Okay, way too high. Still a bit too high. Okay, let's give that a go now. Okay. And it continues. Alright, okay. So the logic is in. I do need to restart the oxygen meter. The only thing is, how do I connect the signal out? I guess signal works downwards, but upwards I probably have to get node. Oh wells. I think I'll just do another on ready var main equals That should work. Then I'll just main dot day equals true. Because on night time, wait, I don't have the day night thing anymore, do I? I guess I can make a new function just called day break, or just call it dawn. So in this case, let's just main dot dawn. So it signifies the daybreak has happened, and then I want it to start timer again. So the first thing it needs to do is timers oxy timer dot start. Okay, let's just test this out. Okay, night falls. Okay, 1 pixel per second might be a bit too slow. Okay, maybe this is a bit too fast. First and foremost, just going to change the camera to... I'm gonna put the camera on top just for convenience. Maybe 2 pixels per second. And I believe there was like an await. Not sure what does await do. I don't think that's exactly what I'm looking for. Okay, I just do a timer. Does it work that way? I recall seeing an await somewhere in the past. I think Joker mentioned it. Does it work that way? Unexpected end of statement. Oh wait. 3. Godot await timer. Right, I can just use... await get tree create timer. So what happens one timeout? Does it make sense? Actually, hold up, let me check the remote. Huh. Okay, first and foremost, I need to re-enable the GUI stuff. I don't actually need to hide it at all. Why did I hide it in the first place? So I think this is working as intended. But before that, I do want to set the timer straight again. Change this to wait time. Also on nightfall, I want to... on main nighttime... where is my nighttime? Oh right, it should be here. Nighttime, I also want to connect it to... the fish? Although the fish aren't here though. I don't have a variable holding the fish, so it would be nice if I can just... Yeah, I guess I have to manually create a signal, like what I did previously. Where did I use it previously? I think it was Fish GD. No, it's not. I might have deleted those stuff. Oh no. Time to Google. Manually connecting signals, Godot. Yep, so it's simply I have to connect it on ready. I already have main connected to this, so it's just main dot is that it? So then copy this. Does this work? Just want to make sure that fish can despawn. Oh, come on. I think it's working because I don't see like any fish coming around. Enough. Okay, but another thing is I probably want to prevent people from moving until everything is ready, so maybe I should do the camera controls. I should do this here before I unpause it. Then if that's the case, then I might not even need this. Yeah. That makes a lot more sense. Okay, I think backgrounds don't need to be... Whoa, what's this? Didn't mean to... Asset library? Nope. Don't need these guys to be paused so I can keep this going. The BGM can still go. Yeah, so I don't need this anymore. Or you know what? Let's just put it here. I think I want the player position to change as well back to the original position. What's the player's original position? I don't even know. How does my diver start? Why do I even not know where's the diver's starting position? Right, it's here, 100, 100. I guess I can make this into a thing in itself. Okay, so now that I made this function here, player dot, there we go. Then same thing, I'm just gonna get them to reposition themselves. Okay. So when I click next, they should start. Okay, maybe I should get that. On nighttime emit. I think you can give 2 seconds as well. Hold on a minute. If I want him to go up, it should be negative Y. Expected? Huh? Invalid. Velocity equals to you know what? I'm just gonna hide the player. Or I can just connect it here. Yeah, why didn't I do that? Position plus velocity times delta. Velocity. Huh, let's try this. Let's see if this works. Wow, it just teleports completely. Can I normalize this? Huh. Right, it doesn't go up nicely unless it's in delta. Can I just do like an input thing? Input. Simulate. Okay, let's try that. Oh, it works. Maybe I can call it 0.5 strength, although I don't think it matters. Yeah, it probably doesn't matter. Maybe I can half velocity. Okay, it's not declared here, I guess. Maybe speed. I'll just... Okay, that's cool. It worked, at least somewhat as intended. Bring it back to 400. Or just multiply by 2. Oh gosh, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, it's already 1:30. Oh, I should wrap up. I should wrap up. Oh boy. Problem. It doesn't stop the input. Oh, I need to action release. Okay. Now that makes sense. There we go. Then I should do the speed thing back here as well. Okay, that's cleaner. That's definitely cleaner. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Why is it so fast? This is moving way too fast. When did I reposition this? Oh, here. Oof. You know, I'm just gonna set it as 400, just to be safe then. Yep, this is okay. Oh. Can I disable player inputs? So I can sort of like cause it to slow down. Right, nightfalls need to disappear, by the way. Nightfall needs to hide. Yep. So maybe I should do it here as well. So upon night time, I'm just gonna wait for like 2 seconds and then hide it, I guess. Okay. Okay. Yes, it's working pretty much as intended now. Now I just need to set the timers back appropriately. Let's put 40 seconds for now. Or 45 seconds. Okay. And I'm going to be done with this. So thank you all so much for watching and listening to me ramble and like do stupid things, rubber duck and all that. So I'll send you all along to Slime, Ruari, who is streaming Valorant. You guys can have fun while I go take some rest. Thank you all so much and bye.